Have you ever had Chinese tea eggs before? Let me show you how to make them. First, we're going to add some eggs in the cold water and bring it to a boil for 7 to 8 minutes. Then give them a nice cold bath. After that, we're going to crack the eggshell using a spoon. Make sure not to peel the skin off. Then we're going to add all the spices. After that, we're going to pour the soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and some water, just enough to cover the eggs. And bring this mixture to a boil for another 5 to 10 minutes. Transfer the eggs and the liquid mixture to a bowl and cover to store in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours or overnight. Now the eggs are ready for us to try. We need to peel the skin off. Look at this beautiful marble pattern. It smells so good already. This is a very popular Chinese traditional street food and snack. They're savory and sweet, so delicious. You can add some homemade chili oil or hot sauce if you like. Thank you so much for watching. Follow for more.